Today I'm going garage sailing. It is Saturday, May 20th, 2023. Me and my mom are going to be visiting some garage sales, and at the end we're also going to go to Ace Hardware because I need to get a plug for something that me and my dad are going to make. So, not really much else to talk about here. So, we're going to start with a time lapse of going to the first garage sale. Alright, we've made it to the first garage sale. I'm not going to really record in any of these because I don't want to show anybody's house or anything really up close, but we're going to go ahead and go in here and shop and see what we can find. Alright, I picked up all this cool stuff at that garage sale, so now we're going to try and find another one. Now, we didn't see very many other signs, so hopefully we'll be able to find some more here, but who knows. If we can't find any more, we'll just go to Ace and call it a day. Alright, we actually found two garage sales, so we're gonna go shop at both of these garage sales. Alright, well, the first sale didn't really turn anything up, but the second sale did. I got this really cool halogen desk lamp for $5. So, really good deal on this, and I'll definitely find a place for this. Alright, well, we didn't see any other garage sales other than those three, so now we are at Ace Hardware here. We're gonna see what we can find in here. I do want to get a plug for a project, because I used the one I got at Lowe's last weekend for the strip light that I got last weekend. So, I need to get another plug. And I might look at the lighting here, too. Alright, where do they keep their plugs? There we go.
Oh, bugs. She wasn't like that.
Plugs. Alright, let's see here. Here we go. They got this kind. They've got this. This is kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting how it's like made of metal. They got a black version of that same kind up there. This is what I was kind of hoping to find, is just like a black plug like this for this particular project. They've also got this kind, which is just ugly. They got a wide selection here. That's nice. Not really the kind that I want. Alright, I think I'll go with this one. This is the kind that I want. I think black, this sort of style. This is better even than the one that I had before, so that's good. Seeing if there's anything interesting in here. Alright. So now we'll head to the lighting aisle here. You can see if there's anything interesting there. Looks like a bunch of F96 T8s. And they got these T5s. 5000K, interesting. These have been here for a while. These are clearance light bulbs up to 50% off, which is cool. T12, cool light. A lot of F14 T12s here. We got this random F34 T12 or a 40 T12 energy saver there, which is in a sleeve, but there's no caps on it. Okay. Let's see what else they've got. Starters. Yeah, they still sell starters here. A lot of them. Got fluorescent lamps over here. LED ones, of course, mixed in. A while ago, they used to have some ballasts here that were really cool. Let's see what they have. They still have the same one. They still have this one, which is a soak line ballast. It's old. It's one of those GE Total Performance ballasts, which I've heard are junk. But still interesting that it's still here, ready to be sold. They also have a F20 T12 preheat ballast as well. I have one of these already in use in a DIY light fixture I made a while back. And then everything else is just electronic. Wonder if they have instant start T8 ballast. Got rapid start T12. This is F96 T8 instant start. I'm not really seeing it. I've been kind of waiting to get an instant start T8 F32 T8 ballast for a while for lamp end of life videos, but not really seeing any. Nice selection of starters they got here. Got some pretty neat old stuff here. Definitely not stuff you'd find in a normal store. F96 T12 high outputs. Still got a wide array of halogen and incandescent bulbs. They got these oldies. They got some really neat stuff here. 2Ds, I got one of those a while ago. It's always cool coming here and seeing all this stuff. Then down here is all the LED stuff. Alright, I found some pretty neato stuff at Ace. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. What could all that be? Well, now we're gonna go home, so I'll show you all the stuff I got when we get back. Alright, I am back home, And here is all the stuff that I got. So we'll start with the stuff that I got at the first garage sale, which is in this bag. Here's a vintage GE 25 watt microwave bulb. I got this for 50 cents. And then along with that, we also have an even older GE 40 watt T6.5 bulb. And I got it for $1. Here we have a 14 gauge appliance extension cord. I'd say this one is maybe like 6 feet long. Definitely looks to have some age to it. If anybody knows what brand it is, feel free to let me know in the comments. But that's pretty cool. And I also got another extension cord here. It's this one. I thought this was pretty cool because of this end that it has on it. It's got 3 little outlets there. It's only non-polarized, so it's not really useful for anything, but it's still pretty cool. It's got a star on the side, and the brand appears to be a star as well for their logo. Star A. If anybody knows what brand that is, feel free to let me know. 15 amps? Yeah, no way. No way you're getting 15 amps through this. What even is this? 18 gauge? Can't even tell. But I'd say only 10 amps through this maximum, because it looks like 18 gauge. That's kind of strange. But anyway, the last thing I got there was this. Is a light socket on a cord. There's the light socket. Almost looks like it might have come off some kind of clamp light, maybe. It's got a little switch on it. It's nice. It's made by Leviton. And it's got this little cord coming off of it. And then you just got your plug on the end. Not a polarized plug, so I have to figure out what side is the hot and which side is the neutral. But yeah, kind of interesting little light socket. Could be useful for something, who knows. For some reason, there's no way to open this up. It's all completely molded together, which is kind of strange. But anyway, that was all the stuff that I got at the first garage sale. And then at the second garage sale, I got this lamp here, which you see in the frame. However, I'll actually move it over here so you can see it better. There's what it looks like. It's a halogen desk lamp. It's pretty tall. It's got this cool little adjusting thing. It's got a pretty heavy base. And it's also got 2 light settings. You got a dim and a bright setting, I'm assuming. So that's pretty nice. I'll go ahead and show you the halogen bulb inside. There we go. It's halogen. 50 watt, 12 volt. So that's pretty cool. Got it for $5. So not even that bad of a deal for it. It was originally $15, but I was able to negotiate it down to $5. So that was pretty cool. I'll definitely be using this on my desk. And I forgot to mention that each of these cords was $2. And then we'll get to the stuff that I got from Ace. First of all, this plug. Some Leviton. just a basic plug. I'm going to use this on a DIY project that I'm going to be doing. So there's that. And I got this. It's a nice old Fight 40 watt R14 bulb. Took a second for me to think of that there. I'll try and get it out here and show you. That comes in a nice little sleeve. Oh, it's not really a sleeve, it's just a thing. And wow, there's like red stuff in there. That's weird. And there's the little bulb. Seems kind of heavy. Must be made with some pretty thick glass. Yeah, cute little vintage bulb. Not sure why that thing is all red inside though. So there's that. And then I got this, which is a Satco bulb. It's a 20 watt tubular bulb for exit signs, I think. Pretty cool. I forgot to mention that I got this for $3, and this was also $3. Take this out. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Nice old bulb. It's got a nice little sleeve too in there. If only they did that with the new bulbs. That's cool. And then I got this. So Westinghouse, it's a fake Westinghouse 40 watt appliance bulb, incandescent. But do you notice what's weird about it? The base is blue. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or what, but I thought that was pretty unique, so I just had to pick that up. Don't remember how much it was though, but probably around this kind of price for these as well. And finally, I got this. The GE Ecolux with Stow Coat. It'll focus. Come on. Oh, seriously. Focus. Fine, I'll do it manually. Oh, seriously. There we go. GE Ecolux with Stow Coat F32T8 SP41 fluorescent lamp. I kind of debated getting this because it was kind of expensive. It was like $6.50, I think, for the one lamp. But I thought it'd be kind of cool to get an F32T8 for a change, because I'm always getting F40T12s. And also, I recently got a strip light that has a low power factor, low ballast factor ballast in it, T12. And I recently learned that a T8 is actually a good fit for a ballast like that. So I just wanted to get a T8 to see what it would be like on that ballast. So now I have one. So anyway, that was all of the cool finds from garage sales and Ace Hardware today. Well, if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below, and feel free to leave a comment as well. And if you want to see more lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. Until next time.